Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to reset a Realme phone without password. If you forgot your password and can't unlock the phone, there is one way to go. Unfortunately, thanks to this procedure, you will lose all data on your phone, so make sure you've got your phone always backed up. In order to unlock your phone without password, firstly you have to reset the smartphone, and while it's restarting, press and hold power button and volume down button. Thanks to this, we will enter recovery menu. Release the button when you see Android logo. Select English and select Format Data. Thanks to this, you will have to set up your smartphone from the beginning, but the password will be erased. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.